Mahalo Valama to all of Samoa, my Moamai Tato Virtual Trivia. I am your host, Queen Mary Tamati. Over here is...
And I'm Beta.
And over there...
Felicia.
And here with us we have a very special guest from the United Nations. Doctor?
My name is Kena Abokos. I work for the United Nations in Samoa.
Ooh. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Very straightforward man here. A very good and very straightforward man. So thank you. It's lovely being here with you tonight, Doctor.
Thank you.
Yes. And our theme for tonight is say it together, everyone. UNA. Yes. Alicia, how do you play?
To play virtual trivia, you must scan the QR code right there on the TV screen or go onto the website crowd.live and enter in the code, which is right on TV that I cannot see.
TV5 Samoa.
Yes. And then enter a valid phone number and an appropriate username.
It has to be valid, because how else will
get your prizes?
Our friends from here in the United Nations will give you those prizes.
Yeah.
And we need your phone number in order to get that. So what are those prizes?
Our prizes are going to be amazing. Very nice prizes.
Oh.
They seem, we're very much displaying them on the table right now.
That's
These are
awesome.
great prizes. If you want a bag, UN's got your bag. But that is only if you come in the top 3, guys. Remember that. Top 3. Yes, Queenie.
Yes.
How do you do you? How do you do
What
you?
a wonderful question.
Yes.
How
do you do you?
Listen, you see that, guys? It's all about you. UN, United Nations of Service to the World. Yes, that's
amazing.
correct. It's been 80 years, correct, Doctor?
Yes, it's 80 years of the existence of the United Nations.
So is that today the official date, or is it?
The official day is on Friday, and we have a whole day of celebrations at Friendship Park. Everyone is invited.
I am coming.
There will be entertainment. There will be shows by the different agencies of the United Nations. You should come. Everyone should
Will
come.
you
I
be
am
dancing?
coming.
Maybe I should.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go if Dr. Kanal is gonna be
If
dancing.
you really want, I can do an African dance.
Oh
The UN
yeah.
is for everyone, everyone in the world.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but honestly, come at Friendship Park on Friday. We'll start at 8, and we will have fun to
Yeah.
celebrate the United Nations at 8.
It's amazing. Oh my goodness.
8 in the morning.
In the morning. It's not that early,
Too
guys.
late?
Till late, yes, and there will be some official stuff in the morning. So some government representatives will be there. But after probably around 12 or 1, it's going to be fun. Families can come. There will be
That's so
stuff to do. There will be food stores for people who want to buy food. And I think there will be a few games as well. So
I will be there for the
celebrate.
games. I will be there for the games and prizes.
Yeah.
Prizes guaranteed.
And the
Oh, yes.
Oh
The food is important. The UN deals
Yeah,
with a lot of
especially.
things, including food as well.
Oh,
So,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
that's
of
good.
course.
That's really
We're looking forward to it, Doctor. Thank you so much. And we will starting our countdown right now as we discuss more about the successful 80 years. So how long have you been with the United Nations, Doctor?
I've been with the United Nations for now 6 years. I've worked in 3 countries. And this is the first time I've worked in the Pacific. So it's been quite exciting for me. Yes. Beautiful place.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm
So
glad-
how long have you been working in Samoa?
Should I say that? Because everyone will think I don't know. No, I've been here since June, but that's fine.
Oh, okay, no.
But
How dare you.
it's been an amazing 5 months.
Yeah, that's so good.
I'm happy with the first Pacific island to show you the islander life, I guess. I suppose. Oh, yes.
You already won with the people, I see.
Yes, I'm assimilating very well to the way of life.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm sure you
that's
tried the food.
I tried the food, yes. I like the food too. Taro,
Taro, galo.
and the coconut.
Yeah, coconut's alright. That's just to me,
Well, since the doctor is our guest, you can do the questions.
So, question number 1.
Yes.
It's a practice question.
Oh, yes.
When did Antonio Gutierrez the Secretary General of the United Nations last visit Samoa. It's Samoa or Samoa?
Samoa.
I think both ways is very correct.
Yeah, I think they were the same.
Okay, well, everyone, is it A, June 2019, B, August 2024, C, May 2025, or D, January 1960?
Ooh.
Are you familiar with Sir Antonio Guterres?
Yes, he visited here in August.
Oh, yes. Oh, wait, let's not give away the answer.
Hey,
too
that's-
soon. Oh, wait, no, I think you're allowed to. August 2024.
He visited
Right,
us.
Doctor.
Yeah, I was
Wow.
correct, but I wanted to say that
Oh, yes.
he also visited where I worked. I worked in Lesotho. He visited in October, so